Oh, really? Okay. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back. My kids just told me I got a new order. Now I'm going to show you how I fulfill the order in a cheap and a convenient way. One of the customers just bought aloenosis. First, I dig out the plant and gently tap the dirt off the plant. It is a very beautiful plant. You see? Next, I go to eBay's seller hub, find the new order, and I purchase and I print the shipping label. So, when I ship out, the customer can easily track the package on eBay. Next, it is the wrapping time. Over time, I save up a lot of cardboard boxes when I receive packages from Amazon. They're quite big, but I can easily turn a big box into multiple small boxes. So I can save a lot of money for buying shipping boxes, and at the same time, it's great for the environment by reusing paper. I have another video teaching how to make small boxes from big boxes. I will list the link in the description. Now we have the plant, some towel paper, the shipping label, and some newspaper filler, and the box we just made. And we can start to wrap. Oh, don't forget tape. After I finish, I just drop out the package on the porch and I schedule a pickup on the USPS website. It is super convenient. If you don't have a printer at home, you can also drop off at the USPS store. They will scan a QR code they provide to you earlier and print and stick a label for you. Now, the order is successfully fulfilled. Thank you for watching.